Welcome to the spoken tutorial on the Mozilla Firefox interface and toolbars. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Firefox interface and the toolbars. In this tutorial, we will use Firefox version 7.0 for Ubuntu 10.04. Let's now take a look at the Firefox interface. Firefox has all the features that a modern browser needs to have. To learn how to use Mozilla Firefox effectively, one should be familiar with each of its features. The Mozilla Firefox interface can be split up into 6 distinct areas, namely the menu bar, the navigation toolbar, the bookmarks bar, the sidebar, the status bar, and the content area. Let's look at each of these and learn what it does. Let's click on the File menu and click on New Window. A new window pops up. Some people have trouble looking at small script in their browsers. So let's zoom into the page by clicking on View, Zoom and Zoom in. Alternately, you can press Ctrl++. This will make the text bigger. To know which version of Mozilla Firefox you are using, click on Help and About Firefox. By default, Firefox displays a home page. But to set your own preferred web page as home page, click on Edit and Preferences. Windows users, please click on Tools and Options. In the General tab, click on Homepage field and type www.yahoo.com or any of your preferred web page. Now you can close Firefox Preference window by clicking the Close button on the bottom right-hand corner. You can use the Edit menu to search for particular words within the web page. In the address bar, type www.google.com. Click on Edit and Find. A small toolbar appears at the bottom of the browser window. In the text box, type the word Gujarati. You will observe that the word Gujarati on the page gets highlighted. This function is very useful when searching through large text on a web page. Let's close this. As the name suggests, the navigation toolbar helps you navigate through the internet. The navigation bar is the large text box where you type the address of the web page that you want to visit. It is called the URL bar or address bar. Click on the URL and delete the address that is already there. Now, type www.google.com. Press the Enter key. You will now be in the Google homepage. Clicking on the back arrow icon will take you back to the page where you were before. Click on the forward arrow to go back to the Google homepage. To the right of the URL bar is an icon shaped like a house. This button takes you back to the default home page from whichever web page you are on. This function is useful when you are browsing from a particular site or a search engine. Let's click on the Home Page button. Remember, we changed the home page to www.yahoo.com earlier on. As a result, clicking on the Home Page button brings us to the Yahoo homepage. Now let's look at the Bookmarks bar. Bookmarks help you navigate to pages that you visit or refer to often. In the URL bar, type www.gmail.com. Once the page loads, click on the star symbol to the right of your URL bar. You see that the star turns yellow. Click on the star again. A dialog box pops up. From the Folder drop-down menu, choose Bookmarks Toolbar. Observe that the Gmail bookmark is now added to the Bookmarks toolbar. Click on the Home Page icon to go to the Yahoo homepage. Click on the Gmail bookmark. This will direct you to the Gmail login page. You can use the Bookmarks bar for sites which you visit often but don't want to have as your home page. Next, we will look at the sidebar. Click on View and Sidebar and then click on History. You see that the bar on the left side now has 3 options. Today, yesterday, and older than 6 months. The displayed options is subject to the intervals between the usage of Firefox on that computer. Click on the plus sign next to the Today icon to expand the menu. Choose the Google link to be directed back to the Google homepage. See how easy it is to go back to the site that you visited before. The sidebar even has a search function of its own. You can type in the name of the site that you want to search for in the search box. This will then search through your history to find it. In the search box, type Google. The Google homepage comes up as the first result. You can make the sidebar disappear by clicking the small X on the top right-hand corner of the sidebar. Next, let's see what the status bar does. The status bar is the area at the bottom of your browser window that shows you the status of the site you are loading. Go to the URL bar and type www.wired.com and press Enter key. Look at the status bar quickly. It shows you the status of the loading of that web page. The status bar can help you to understand why a particular site is not loading, the time it may take to load, etc. Finally, let's look at the content area. This is where you see the content of the web page you are viewing. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we learnt about the Firefox interface, the toolbars. Try this comprehension assignment. Change your home page to www.spoken-tutorial.org and navigate to it. Then, go to the Yahoo website by using the browser's history function. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This tutorial has been contributed by Desi Crew Solutions Private Limited. Thanks for joining.